Imagine a world where your camera never leaves your desk, yet your images are downloaded thousands of times by businesses, creators, and advertisers across the globe. Imagine earning while you sleep, because your portfolio of stock photos never stops working for you. This is no longer a fantasy. Welcome to the era of AI-generated stock photography, where artificial intelligence replaces expensive gear, travel costs, and endless photo shoots with a few smart prompts and a strategy that runs on autopilot. Today, I'm going to reveal how ordinary people are turning text prompts into cash, thousands of dollars in passive income every month, and exactly how you can do it too. The game changer: why AI stock photography works. For decades, traditional stock photography was a closed club. Photographers spent years mastering the technical skills, investing in expensive cameras, lighting setups, editing software, and global travel just to build competitive portfolios. But now, AI has shattered that barrier. With tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 3, and Adobe Firefly, anyone, literally anyone, can create hyper-realistic, studio-quality stock photos without owning a single piece of professional equipment. Here's why AI stock photography is exploding. Businesses need more content than ever. Websites, blogs, ad campaigns, social posts. They burn through stock images like fuel. The demand for unique images is skyrocketing. Everyone's tired of seeing the same overused stock photo of people shaking hands. AI generates original images instantly, so every picture you create is fresh and exclusive. And the best part? Once uploaded, these images keep earning for years with zero additional work. That's the definition of true passive income. The tools that will make you a stock photo powerhouse. To dominate this industry, you need to master the right AI tools. Let's break down the most powerful options available right now. Midjourney, the creativity giant. If there's one name dominating the AI art scene, it's Midjourney. Why? Because its image quality is mind-blowing. Midjourney's engine is trained to produce incredibly detailed, artistic images with textures, lighting, and depth that rival real photography. Ideal for concept-driven stock images like lifestyle, business settings, food, technology, and abstract themes. Pair it with specific prompts like camera lenses and lighting styles to make images indistinguishable from real photos. DALL-E 3, seamless, commercial-ready images. From OpenAI, DALL-E 3 excels at precise image generation. It integrates with ChatGPT for natural language prompting, meaning you can literally talk your ideas into life. Perfect for stock images that require exact control. Things like workplace diversity shots, specific color schemes for brand campaigns, or editorial-style photos. Outpainting and in-painting features allow you to expand and fine-tune images so they look like they were taken in an actual studio. Stable Diffusion, unlimited flexibility. For creators who want full customization and absolute control, Stable Diffusion is unmatched. It's open source, meaning you can fine-tune it on your own models, train it on specific aesthetics, and even make photo sets that have a consistent style. Excellent for niche-specific content libraries. Think medical photography, futuristic cityscapes, or luxury interiors. Stable Diffusion has a strong ecosystem of plugins and UI tools like Automatic 1111, giving you professional-grade workflows. Adobe Firefly, stock photos with zero legal worries. Adobe's Firefly AI tool comes with a huge advantage: built-in legal safety. Adobe ensures that every AI image created is commercially safe, meaning businesses can license your images without worrying about copyright disputes. Use case: if you want to sell your AI images directly through Adobe Stock, Firefly is the fastest and safest way to do it. Unique feature: Generative Fill lets you fix flaws, enhance details, and polish images to stock photo perfection. Crafting images that actually sell. Here's the hard truth: not all stock images sell equally. You need to understand the market. The top-selling stock photos aren't just pretty pictures. They solve a problem. Ask yourself, what are businesses searching for when they buy stock photos? Modern workplace culture, remote work, diversity, hybrid meetings, health and wellness themes, fitness, nutrition, mental health, finance and technology, AI, cryptocurrency, gadgets, abstract backgrounds and textures for website design. AI gives you the power to create these in seconds. Instead of waiting for the right time of day to shoot, you just describe your vision and let AI deliver. Where to sell AI-generated photos for passive income. Now comes the crucial step: distribution. You've created a portfolio, but where do you upload your masterpieces so they start earning for you around the clock? Shutterstock accepts AI-generated content as long as it follows guidelines, offers royalties every time someone downloads your image. Adobe Stock. Firefly-generated images integrate directly, known for high-quality clients like agencies and corporate buyers. iStock/Getty Images. Currently selective with AI content, but early adopters who follow the rules can stand out quickly. FreePic and Envato Elements. Subscription platforms that pay you based on image downloads and demand. Niche marketplaces. Platforms like ArtStation, Creative Market, or even Etsy are excellent for AI-generated art bundles or themed packs. Each platform multiplies your income streams. Upload once and watch hundreds of micro-sales accumulate every month. Positioning for success. The real winners in this game don't just upload random images, they plan strategically. Focus on a niche. Instead of uploading 1,000 random images, create 1,000 images on AI, fintech, and futuristic cityscapes. Clients come to see you as the go-to expert in that field. Use consistent styles. Businesses love portfolios that look cohesive because they can build campaigns from multiple images without jarring differences. Release batches. Every week, upload 20 to 30 new images. Within a year, you'll have a portfolio that earns forever. Automating the stock photo empire. The #1 mistake beginners make is thinking they need to create, upload, and keyword every single image manually. That was the old way. Here's the 3-part automation stack that turns your AI-generated stock photos into a passive income empire. Automate your upload workflow. Use tools like Stock Submitter or Wirestock to upload to multiple platforms at once. Instead of logging into Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and FreePic separately, you upload once and the tool distributes for you. These platforms also auto-generate tags and descriptions using AI, which means your content gets discovered faster. How much can you realistically earn? This is the question everyone asks. How much money can I make selling AI-generated stock photos? Let's break it down with real-world expectations. Small portfolio, 500 images, $100 to $300 per month. Medium portfolio, 2,000 images, $500 to $1,500 per month. Large portfolio, 5,000 plus images, $3,000 plus per month, and in many cases much more. And these numbers are from traditional photographers. With AI, you can create a portfolio 10 times faster than them. The beauty? Your images can sell for years without extra effort. If you want to stay ahead of these AI-powered wealth strategies, make sure you subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters. Hit the like button, share this video with someone who's ready to start building, and turn on notifications. The future is automated. The only question is, will you be part of it?